Hello everyone, this is Alan Hernández, Natalia Ibarra, and Fernando Magallanes, and today we are going to talk a little bit about the professional area for a renewable energies engineer. How is it like to be in the real world working in the areas that we can uh, develop, the things that we can do and how we need to do them. So we are going to talk about some of the areas that we found not the most common maybe, but the ones that we found interesting. Next, please.
Working out the technical and economic aspect of new renewable energy sites, including wind farms, solar installation, and hydro or marine power. Before the installation, it is necessary to verify the status of the equipment. For example, for the panels, we need to check that they are not broken or with any damage. And also, once they are working, it's always necessary a continuous maintenance to prevent future inconvenience. This could be either just visual or be monitoring software to check temperature and status. And inspection. Carrying out site and ground condition inspection for new and existing sites. Next, please.
Well, another area that we would like to mention is the design, where the engineer needs to use like some computer softwares where we can like make the modeling of the systems that we are going to work with. This might be with like the design, like to get how many panels are we going to use or to verify the space, the order that they are going to have. So with these softwares that are like PVCs, Ecotech, and some others that we already know, these are going to help us to get a detailed design and to have a good production of the energy that we are going to need. Next, please. And well, this is also very important because we know that renewable energies are still growing in the around the world. But here in America, we have, for example, a national electric code, and there we can find some of the rules that we need to follow to be sure that our system is going to be approved and that we are not going to have any trouble. And if we do, it's not going to be because of the installation. It is maybe going to be because of the material or because any other aspect that we cannot control. But it is really important for an engineer to know the laws that we need to follow to be sure that there is nothing wrong with it, and to share this information with the people that are going to be using maybe the system. It could be solar or wind or whatever we are using, but we need always to be aware of the um, the laws and the new things that are going to be coming.
Well, next we have the organization. As we can see in the text, it says preparing project plans, schedules of work, and cost estimates. Okay, when we talk about the organization, we talk about to improving, optimizing, and all that kind of things. Sorry, in the installation of the solar and the wind power generation systems. Also, well, as I said, um, we improve our schedules and our methods so we can optimize the time, save money, that kind of things, and that's what we meant in the organization. And the next one is the quality. Well, the quality, it's a department, like it's kind of weird because some companies has their own quality department. So what we can do is, you know, take the the troubles, or the things that could be wrong in the machines or in the panel or in the entire system, and go to the corresponding representative of the department of the quality, and they made a full document, and for the history of the sites, the system, and that kind of things. Also, we can work in a laboratory. As we know, we can test the panels by a lot of methods, but in the labs we have the big machines and that kind of things, and we can test the panels, and we can also simulate the systems in a computer, and that kind of things we learned in this amazing career. So yeah, I think is everything from us. Anything else to say? Nope.
I
I
think that
think
will be all. Thank you.
it's everything from us. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you. Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.